Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone problem. Alright, so if TikTok doesn't have access to your camera and microphone, you won't be able to record video directly from TikTok, and also you won't be able to get sound on your video. Alright, so how can you actually fix this so that TikTok can have access to your camera and microphone? So all you have to do guys is to go out from your TikTok app, and you have to go to your phone settings. Alright, so if you're on your phone settings, if you're on Android, you have to look for App Manager, but if you're on iPhone, you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and until you see TikTok. Alright, so here's it. So this is TikTok, so I'm going to open it, and then I'll see all these options right here, and I'm going to see the microphone and camera options. So I have to make sure they are turned on just like this. So these are the two options, so they have to be turned on just like this. So once they are turned on like this, it simply means that you have given access to your camera and microphone on TikTok. Alright, so that's how you can fix it. Alright, so hope this video was helpful and you now know how to fix camera and microphone problems on TikTok. If you just give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.